So now we are going to open our books, right? What did we learn yesterday? Can anyone tell me?
Nothing, ma'am.
We did not learn anything yesterday.
Yesterday our kids
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 12. Page number, first open up page number 11, then go to page number 12. We learned yesterday that we use how we use plants. Someone tell me how we use plants. What do we do with plants? Yes, we do them. We use them as food. We use them as vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, other things. Okay, we are going to learn that again. So what did you okay, I am asking one by one. When I ask you, you answer. Okay, Atrey Gupta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, what did you eat today? In morning, what did you eat?
Ma'am, I eat rice, peas.
Okay, so rice, what is it? What does it come from?
Ma'am, I don't your voice. Ma'am, I don't hear your voice.
Okay, Atri, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so so you said you ate rice today. So what is rice? Rice is a plant, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
and can you tell me what kind of food it is? Is it fruit? Is it vegetable or is it cereal?
Cereal.
Yes, it's cereal. Very good, Atri. Now mute yourself again because I will ask another student. Rahat Khankar. Rahat, yes, Rahat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me what kind of fruit is, what kind of food is carrot? Is it a vegetable or is it a fruit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, carrot, is it a fruit or is it a cereal? Or is it vegetable?
No, ma'am.
Tell me. Anything you have in mind, tell me. You don't know? You don't know that? Rahat? It's okay. Can anyone else tell me? Alia, can you tell me? Alia? Ifra Sanjira. Okay, you told that, but I asked Alia. So, okay, Ifra is a vegetable, right? And Orkopriya. Orkopriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me what kind of food is the dals, the moong dal, the pulses? What kind of food is that? Moong dal or kidney beans? What kind of food? Can you tell me, Orkopriya?
It is pulses, ma'am.
Yes, these are pulses. Yes. Okay, Shaugato. Shaugato, did you eat any fruit?
बड़े वाले शब्दों पर होता है देखो एखाने आ
I am muting
के
everyone so that there is no background noise. So, Shogato, just unmute yourself and tell me that tell me the name of one fruit. Orkopriya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
tell me one fruit's name. One fruit's name.
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না বলো
ম্যাম কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না একটু জোরে বলুন ম্যাম
Maybe,
টেল अगेन
can you hear me? Can you hear me?
ম্যাম কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না একটু জোরে বলুন প্লিজ
Can everyone hear me?
यस मैम
Okay,
I
some
hear
of-
you ma'am
Okay, some of you can hear me and some of you cannot. So maybe there is a network issue from your end. So, so that you guys who do not, please open up your, please increase the volume of your device. Or maybe you are having network problem because others can hear me. Okay, some of you can hear me, right?
yes ma'am
Yes, then there is
ma'am
no.
yes ma'am I hear you
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so we were learning that we take food.
আদা বলো আদি বলে দাও বলো আদি
We take food in different forms. We take plants in different forms of food. There is vegetables, there is fruits, there is cereals like rice, wheat, what you eat. There is pulses.
বলো আস আস আসলাম
Okay, I am muting everyone because there is background noise coming from someone. Samriddho, you want to say anything? Or Samriddho, you want to say anything? Just unmute yourself and say.
क्या कर रहे हो
You raised your hand, Samriddho Roy.
বলো আধা
Okay, don't unmute unless you are called. Okay, don't unmute yourself unless you are asked for. So I am going to tell you again that Rahat, there is so much background noise from your end. Okay, so I'm going to tell you again what are the kinds of food we take, like vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, and there is coffee or sugar or tea. We also eat that, and that is obtained from a plant. There is coffee plant, there is tea garden in north. When you go to vacations in North Bengal, you can see there the tea gardens. When you go to vacation in South India, you can see coffee gardens. So these are also plants. And there are oils. You told me yesterday that sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, you told yourselves. So these are also obtained from the plants. There's mustard oil from mustard plant and coconut oil from coconut and sunflower oil and groundnut oil, etc. We also use different spices like turmeric. When we eat vegetables with with rice or with our food, so how does mom cook that? Mom cooks that with different spices, and turmeric is one. There is cashew leaves, there is cardamom. Okay, so there are spices. So here we can see that we use plants as in different forms: vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, tea or coffee, oils, spices. These all, everything is obtained from plants. So there are also other things that we get from the plant, and there is medicine. So what kind of medicine we use? Well, we get from plants. There is tulsi leaf, that is of herbal property. Have you heard the term herbal? Have you anyone unmute and say, have you heard the term herbal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, herbal means what we get from the plant directly. So there are herbal, they have the tulsi leaves, the neem leaves. In winter, you ate neem leaves, fried neem leaves, right? So these are of great medicinal properties or great herbal properties these plants have. So we eat them directly. So there is tulsi leaves and neem leaves and also other leaves also there, like cinchona. Cinchona is a plant, and when someone gets malaria, well, okay, so malaria is caused by mosquito bites. You know that, right? So when someone gets malaria, the medicine we use, the medicine doctors use, it's created from the leaves of cinchona. So cinchona is a plant. Then there is fibers. So you have seen people using the fiber, the jute bags, right? So there is jute plant, and that is created for the purpose of creating jute bags, ropes. There are jute ropes. There are mass of jute and much more things. So jute is widely used. Some people use jute every day, and these are also from the plant, jute plant. So what you wear, your dress, the clothes you are wearing every time, so these are also made from the plant, cotton plant. See, in summer, cotton, you wear cotton fabric, cotton clothes, because it's comfortable. So these are also made from the plant, cotton plant. So everything here we get everything from the plants, almost everything. So there are medicines, there are clothes, there are foods. You write in paper, that is also made from the plant. You sit in the chair, you sit in the cot, you sit in the you write in your desk, that is also made from wood. Wood is cutted down and polished plants. So everything we use, everything we see in our around in our environment, we get that from plants. So we can use perfume. That is, perfume is obtained from sweet smelling flower. That is also source of that is also we get from the plants. There are paper, gum, rubber, everything. Gum, rubber, everything we get from the juice of stems of some plant. Like from the juice of the kikar stem, we get gum. Paper is made from bamboo. You see bamboo trees somewhere in the field. So from that, people make paper and give it to you. And from the juice of the rubber tree, we get rubber that is used for tire and everything. Everything made of rubber is obtained from that rubber tree. So, okay, someone, Sheikh Rabiul Islam, you tell me that one thing. You tell me one thing other than food we get from tree. or plants? Name one thing that we usually get from plant.
मैम
Yes, Aisha.
मैम আপনি একটু জোরে বলবেন আমি কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না
I cannot speak any louder because I am having my full volume. Maybe you are having any network issue, because some students also said that they can hear me. Okay, you try to increase your volume. Can you do that? Have you tried increasing your volume, Aisha?
yes ma'am
Have you tried increasing your volume, your device volume?
the question
Now can you hear me? Can you hear me, Aisha? Okay, okay, I asked Rabiul a question. I don't think Rabiul is listening. Rabiul Islam, Sheikh Rabiul Islam.
number page
Yes, Rabiul. Okay, so just tell me one use of plant that we that other than the food. One use of a plant. Okay, I am muting everyone so that I can hear your answer. Rabiul, unmute yourself and answer. Rabiul, unmute yourself and answer. I cannot hear you. I just muted everyone. Okay, yes, tell me.
ma'am various medicine
Yes, very good, Rabiul. Various medicines are something we get from the plant. Okay, mute yourself again. Yes, Ifra. Tell me.
planet give wood
Yes, wood. Yes, very good. Very good, Ifra.
ma'am
Yes, Atrey.
perfume we
Yes.
get perfume from the plant
Yes, and from which part we get the perfume? Can you tell me?
ma'am flower
Yes, very good, Atrey. From flower. From sweet smelling flowers, we get the perfume. Aisha, can you still not hear me?
yes ma'am
Can you still not hear me? Can you hear me now?
no ma'am
No, okay.
class ma'am
Okay, okay. Maybe.
class ma'am
Orkopriya, tell me. Orkopriya, okay.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
yes, you're telling something?
cotton class ma'am
Yes, yes, cotton clothes. Very good, Orkopriya. Very good. Okay. So there are food types.
from cotton seed
Yes, yes, very good. You know that from cotton seeds. Very good.
ma'am coconut oil
Jennifer, tell me again.
ma'am coconut oil
Can you tell me again? I cannot hear you. Okay, I am muting everyone. Unmute yourself and tell me, Jennifer. Jennifer, unmute and tell me. Unmute first. Yes. Tell me.
coconut oil
Yes, coconut oil. Very good. Coconut oil is obtained from the coconut. Yes, very good. Very good. So there are many uses of plants, medicine. Okay, I'm then again muting everyone. I will ask.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
master,
And tell me. And yes, Ahmed. Yes, 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 Zinia.
Food, master, and
Yes, very good. Very good, Jinia. Samridho, you want to say anything? Okay, Almasuddin, you want to say anything?
no, ma'am.
Okay, Sadiq, you want to? Rabiul, okay, I asked you already. Okay, Riaz, where are you?
Ma'am, sugar.
Sugar, yes, yeah. Very good. So everyone now listen. Everyone listen that we get so many things from the plants, medicine, fiber, wood, paper, gum, and of course we use food, we use plants as foods. And there are others uses of plants, that is flower. We use them to decorate. Okay, we use them plants to decorate, uh, decorate things. When we have any occasion, we use it for decoration. We pray, we give flowers to the god. We use flowers for everything. And some plants are used as hedges. So there is a plant called hedge plant. So they are used as hedges. They are used to uh, used as hedges. Okay. So dried wood of trees is used as a fuel. So have you ever seen a wood is burned down and made coal? Have you seen a coal? Have you ever seen a coal? No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, very good. It's rare to see, but if you have seen it, it's very good. And that is also a dried up plant. Dried up plant. It's yes. When the plant is burned and it's made coal, and that is used as a fuel. So plants. Another thing is that plants help to keep the air fresh and clean because they produce oxygen, which we need, and they take up carbon dioxide, which we release. Carbon dioxide is bad for the planet, so they use up that and they keep the environment clean. So we cannot live without plants. We need more plants in our earth, in our surroundings. Okay. So yesterday was Earth Day. Did you draw any plants there yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
yes, yes, yes. So because this is the earth, this is
Ma'am,
the
I am
yes.
I draw, ma'am.
Yes, you draw. Everyone drew it. So why we drew the,
Scenery.
why did we draw the plant for Earth Day? Because plants help to make the earth beautiful, to make the earth good, better. Okay. So plants help us in every way.